In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Shopify. If you want your accounting and online store data to work together more smoothly, connecting these two platforms is a great place to start. This integration can help streamline your workflow and reduce the amount of manual work involved in keeping your records up to date. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're signed in before continuing because the integration settings are available from inside your account dashboard. Once you're in Zoho Books, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct organization or company profile if you manage more than one. That can help prevent connecting Shopify to the wrong set of books. Next, look toward the upper area of the screen for the gear icon. This is where your settings and configuration options are located. Click the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, you'll want to find and click on Connections. This section is where Zoho Books allows you to link with external apps and services, including e-commerce platforms like Shopify. When the Connections page opens, click New Connection. This will let you create a new app link from Zoho Books to another platform. In the search area, type Shopify, then select it from the results when it appears. Be sure to choose the correct option so you're setting up the right integration. After selecting Shopify, enter the necessary details requested on the screen. The exact fields may vary depending on your account setup, but this usually includes the information needed for Zoho Books to identify and securely connect to your Shopify store. Take your time here and double-check everything before moving on. Accuracy is important because even a small mistake can prevent the connection from being completed properly. Once you've filled everything out, click Create and Connect. Zoho Books will then begin the process of establishing the integration with Shopify. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to approve permissions or confirm access, so the two systems can share data correctly. Follow any prompts that appear to finish the connection. And that's it! Once connected, Zoho Books and Shopify can start working together more efficiently. After setup, it's always a good idea to review the connection and make sure it appears as active inside your Connections section. That way, you can confirm everything is ready to go.